In today's session, we are going to solve the questions related to grammar part, that is subject and predicate, which we learned in our previous grammar session. Okay.
Question A. Circle the subjects and underline the predicates in the following sentences. The bird is flying. In this, the bird is what? Subject, and is flying predicate. Ram is an intelligent student. Ram is subject, is an intelligent student predicate. Mary walks in the park. Mary subject, walks in the park predicate. The teacher sings well. The teacher is subject. This is a part of predicate. The children are reading books. This is a part of subject. This is a part of predicate. Ritu will come today. Ritu subject, and this is part of predicate. Okay. The teacher is in the library. The teacher is subject and predicate. This is you should not sing in the classroom. You is the part of subject, and this is a part of predicate. Atul wrote a story. This is part of subject, and this part is of predicate. The study table subject is very neat predicate. Wait, now next question. Circle the subjects and underline the predicates in the following sentences. Sit on that chair. Chair is the subject, remaining is predicate. How are you? You is the subject, this is part of predicate. The picture is very beautiful. The picture is part of subject, this is part of predicate. Switch on the television. The television is subject, this is part of predicate. The cartoon show is very funny. The cartoon show is the cartoon show subject is very funny predicate. I had fever yesterday. I subject had fever yesterday, part of predicate. Jyoti come inside the room. Jyoti subject, come inside the room predicate. What is that insect? Insect, that insect is the part of subject. What is part of predicate. Mona and Sona plays badminton. Mona and Sona subject, this is part of predicate. Where is everybody? Everybody subject, this is part of predicate. You have to write in your notebook. Thank you.